Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Naufal Drisyanto, and I'm an undergraduate law student of University of Pancasila. And this video is made for a final examination test of English for occupational purpose. And my theme is existing justice system in the world. This is the introduction of law. Law is a regulation or custom that is officially considered binding the confirmed by a ruler or government. Law also includes rules in the form of laws and related regulations, rules in society, and decisions made by law enforcers. And then, when you commit a mistake or violation, the law can act according to its authority because that is the purpose of the law. The main goal is to regulate human behavior, maintaining order, justice, and anticipating chaos in the environment. However, even though the goal is the same, the way to carry out the punishment varies depending on the circumstances. So what are the differences between the system even though the goal is the same? Here's the review. Civil law. This justice system is inquisitorial in nature, or the judges has a big role directing and deciding a case, and the judges is active in assessing the instrument proof. In this system, the judges tries to get a complete picture of the event faced from the start. This system relies on professionalism and judges' honesty. According to Friedman's observation, judges in civil law legal system trying to get complete picture of the event he has faced since the beginning. This system relies on the professionalism and honesty of judges' civil law. Legal system uses a basic division into civil law and public law. The civil law legal system has three characteristics, namely the existence of a system codification. Judges are not bound by precedent or doctrine of states' decisions, so the law is the main legal preference. The justice system is oral inquisitive. Second is common law. The common law system uses an adversary system which has second mean to the dispute can each use their lawyer to face before judges. The parties to the dispute can develop the best strategy possible and put forward as many arguments and pieces of evidence as possible court. This legal system is based on court decision as such. The law, the legal sources, the common law legal system are as follow as A. The decision of the court or judges, namely the judges not only function as the party in charge of establishing and interpreting regulations, but do not also form the entire order of life and creating new principles. It's called jurisprudence. B. Custom and regulations, written laws and regulations. Third is Muslim law. One thing that characterizes Islamic law is that Islamic law has its source. There is Islam itself, both Sharia and fiqh. Thus, it can be understood that Islamic law refers to Sharia or jurisprudence which is positive, so it has the character binding on society. Try in this context is that there are consequences, especially for those who don't run it. System judiciary, namely simple, easy, immediately decides the justice, clean, fair, and does not different between human positions before the judiciary, independent apart from the pressure of executive and legislative power. The judges do not enforce laws other than Islamic law. The judiciary in Saudi Arabia adheres to a dual legal system which consists of two types, namely 1. The judiciary stands alone, namely administrative justice. This trial not specifically is based on Islam Sharia but designed to be in accordance with the principle of Sharia by observing and adopting the Sharia properly in general. Second is Sharia court, namely complete justice based on Sharia. And then the Far East law. The main characteristic of the Far East law that is empathize harmony and social order. That is system always tries to strengthen social harmony and order and does not like the presence of open conflict. This was caused by open conflict tends to encourage disintegration and break up. The social order tends to encourage disintegration and break up the social order. As a result, this is legal system. Society avoids legal litigation process and prefers the legal system. The legal system resolves non-legal media conflict. And in the Far East Asia, this system is used by many countries like Japan, Malta, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Swaziland, and others. And the last one is socialist law. The socialist law legal system is a legal system based on ideology communist. This system is more socialist in orientation, namely laying the foundation on ideology communist country with a spirit minimizing personal rights. Source of law in a social legal system, it is the highest decision of the ruler of the form of products, a government country policy that essentially has no official source of law, which is that the law is the ruler of state. The law defends the proletariat. There is the legal system. For example, the country Bulgarian. Bulgarian legal system recognizes parliamentary law as the main legal reference and is a common form of the civil law family. The judiciary supervised by Ministry Justice, while the Supreme Administrative Court and Supreme Cassation Court, the highest court of appeal, plays a role in application of laws in court. The Supreme Judicial Council administers the system and appoints the judges. The Bulgarian judiciary is the most and least corrupt, efficient in Europe. That's all for me. Thanks for watching.